You ever be sitting at home, minding your business, watching Netflix, and think, hey, what if something from space just fell through my ceiling? Yeah, that's not a shower thought anymore. It's a statistical possibility. Because humans have officially filled space with so much crap that Earth is now dodging its own junk. We basically turned orbit into a cosmic landfill. And guess what? Landfills leak. So, yeah, let's talk about what happens if one of those bad boys, a real satellite, decides to drop in for dinner. Spoiler, it won't knock first. Satellites don't die. They just fall okay. First thing you gotta know, satellites don't have brakes. They don't retire gracefully. When they're done, they either burn up or come down. It's not a peaceful death. It's a fiery orbital tantrum. You ever see a shooting star? That's not magic. That's somebody's ex-satellite screaming through the atmosphere at Mach 25. And if it doesn't burn completely, it can hit the ground. That's right, Earth has become the universe's lost and found. Real stories of falling space junk. Let me give you the highlight reel of cosmic stupidity. In 1979, NASA's Skylab, a space station the size of a house, fell out of the sky and scattered pieces all over Australia. Australians woke up like, crikey, space just dropped in. In 2011, Germany's Rosat satellite crashed back to Earth. They didn't even know where it would land. They were just like, somewhere between Norway and New Zealand. Cool. That's literally half the planet. And in 2022, China's Long March 5B rocket fell back uncontrollably. Imagine dropping a school bus from orbit and just hoping it lands in the ocean. That's their plan. Hope. So yeah, if something lands on your house, congratulations. You're now part of breaking space news. The odds of getting hit. Now technically, the odds of a satellite hitting you are tiny, like 1 in several trillion tiny. But the odds of it hitting someone? That's going up faster than Elon's rocket launches. Because every year we launch hundreds more satellites, and almost none of them have a retirement plan. We're out here making orphans in orbit. NASA says there are over 27,000 pieces of trackable junk up there, and millions of smaller ones. It's like Earth's surrounded by a glitter storm of regret. If it hits your house, so let's say you're that unlucky person, you're chilling, eating your cereal, and boom, a 300-pound metal chunk of space toaster comes through your ceiling. What happens next? Do you get paid? Do you sue? Do you go viral? The short answer? It depends on whose junk hit you. If it's American, NASA technically owns it. If it's Russian or Chinese, good luck getting them to answer the phone. And if it's Elon's Starlink, well, he'll probably just tweet a meme about it. Hey bro, you're trending. Dish your fallen Starlink challenge. The space lawyer will see you now. There's actually an international law called the Liability Convention of 1972. It says if someone's satellite hits another country, they're responsible for the damage. Cool, right? Except that's only between countries. So, if it hits your house, you're technically just collateral curiosity. You can't sue Russia. You can't sue China. You can't even sue the sky. Best you can do is post a viral TikTok and start a GoFundMe. Imagine that insurance call. So, what happened, sir? Yeah, a piece of NASA fell on my Prius. Uh-huh. Was the satellite at fault? What it actually does on impact. When a satellite falls, most of it burns up, but not all. The parts that survive, they hit hard. Like explosive birthday candle hard. A small satellite reentry can deliver energy equal to a few tons of TNT. If that lands in your backyard, congratulations. You now own a crater. And they always say, don't worry, most of it lands in the ocean. Bro, that's what they said about the Titanic too. Aliens are probably watching this mess. You know aliens are just sitting up there, watching us like it's a reality show. These idiots can't even keep their trash in orbit. They're probably placing bets. $50 says the next one lands on a Starbucks. Deal. And we're not even embarrassed. Every time something falls, we go, oops, and send more. The moral of the story. Look, if a satellite ever hits your house, 1, congratulations. You're officially part of space history. 2, you might be the only person who can honestly say, NASA owes me rent. And 3, maybe next time humanity launches something, we should think about how to bring it home without dropping it on Karen's backyard pool. This is Orbital Secrets. Subscribe before another satellite drops in uninvited.